Hello and welcome to the innovative world of SunPlower Propeller. Beneath the surface of our water lies a world untouched, unexplored, and filled with mysteries waiting to be revealed. Introducing our advanced underwater drone propeller, propulsion and steering mechanism in one unit with 360 degrees directional thrust capabilities, precisely engineered for deep-sea exploration, environmental monitoring and intelligent surveillance. This fully submersible drone is built for reliable performance even in the most demanding underwater environments. It is powered by a low RPM high-thrust radial propulsion system, ensuring smooth, stable, and silent movement, ideal for stealth operations, scientific exploration, and marine life observation. First prototype with two propellers generated an impressive 8.2 kilograms of thrust at very low speed of about 180 RPM, eliminating bubbles cavitation at extremely low noise. The system utilized just 240 watts of input power, running on 5 amp at 48 volt, a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Equipped with 360-degree directional control, the drone offers full 6 degrees of freedom of movement. Left-right, forward-backward, up-down, roll, yaw and pitch, enabling advanced navigation and agile positioning in tight or dynamic environments. From the ocean's surface to its silent depths, SunPlower's underwater propeller opens the door to an exciting new world below the water.